English Listening Lab.
Hi, I'm Emma from the English Listening Lab. Today we're going to learn easy English for reading travel signs. This will help you understand signs in airports, streets, and public places.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I really need this. Sometimes I see signs, but I don't understand them quickly.
That's very common, Ryan. The good news is most travel signs use very simple English. You don't need big sentences.
That's great. I like simple English.
Perfect. Let's imagine you are walking in a new city. You see a sign that says, exit.
I think I know this. It means go out?
Exactly. Exit means you can leave from that place.
So if I want to go out, I follow the exit sign.
Yes, very good. Now, you might also see entrance.
That is the opposite, right?
Correct. Entrance means you can go in.
Okay, easy. Exit equals go out. Entrance equals go in.
Perfect. Now let's look at two very common signs, open and closed.
I see these on shops.
Yes, open means the place is working. You can go inside. Closed means it is not working.
So if I see closed, I should not go in.
Exactly. Now imagine you are inside a building, like a mall. You want to find something. You will see direction signs.
Like arrows?
Yes, arrows help a lot. You might see left, right, straight.
So I just follow the arrow?
Yes, even if you don't understand the word, the arrow helps you.
That's very helpful.
Now let's learn a few more direction words. You might see upstairs.
That means go up?
Yes, go to a higher floor. And downstairs.
Go down to a lower floor.
Perfect. Now imagine you are looking for a restroom. You will see signs like restroom or toilet.
Yes, I see those in many places.
Sometimes you will also see symbols like a man or a woman.
Oh yes, those pictures are easy to understand.
Exactly. Signs use both words and pictures to help you. Now, here's another useful sign, information.
What does that mean?
It means you can go there to ask questions.
So if I am lost, I go to information.
Yes, that's the best place. Now let's talk about something important, safety signs.
Okay.
You might see stop.
That means don't move.
Yes, stop and be careful. Another one is no entry.
That means I cannot go there.
Exactly. Do not enter.
Okay.
You might also see danger.
That sounds serious.
Yes, it means something is not safe.
So I should stay away.
Correct. Now here's a common one in malls or airports. Wet floor.
Oh, I've seen that.
It means the floor is slippery.
So I should walk carefully.
Exactly. Now here's an important tip. You don't need to understand every word. Just understand the key word.
Key word?
Yes. For example, emergency exit. You only need to understand exit.
Oh, I see. That makes it easier.
Yes. Focus on simple words. Now, imagine you are walking and you see many signs quickly. What should you do?
Maybe look for simple words and arrows?
Perfect answer. Now let's do a small practice. I will say a sign and you tell me what to do.
Okay, let's try.
Exit.
Go out.
Good. Entrance.
Go in.
Left.
Turn left.
Restroom.
Find the toilet.
No entry.
Don't go there.
Excellent.
This is actually fun.
Learning should be fun. Now imagine a real situation. You are in a shopping mall. You want to find the restroom.
Okay.
You see a sign, restroom, arrow.
I follow the arrow to the right.
Perfect. Then you see another sign, upstairs.
So I go up.
Yes, and then you see the restroom symbol.
That means I found it.
Exactly. You used signs step by step.
That feels very real.
That's the goal, real-life learning. Now, here's a quick question for you, and for everyone watching. If you see a sign that says closed, what do you do?
I don't go inside.
Perfect. If you're watching, you can comment your answer too. It helps you remember better.
That's a good idea.
Now, one more tip. Don't panic if you don't understand everything. Stay calm and look around. Signs repeat in many places.
Yes, I think I just need practice.
Exactly. The more you see, the more you understand. Now, imagine you leave the mall and walk outside. You see more signs on the street.
And now you're outside. Streets and travel places have many more signs, but the good news is they are also very simple.
Yes, I always get confused on the streets.
That's normal. Let's start with airports. Imagine you are walking inside an airport. You see a sign that says, departures.
That means where the flights leave from, right?
Exactly. And arrivals means where the flights come in.
Okay, I can remember that.
Then you might see boarding gate 5.
That shows where I should go to get on the plane.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
And security check?
That's where they check your bags and documents.
Okay, so I need to go there before my flight.
Yes, very good. Now let's move to train and bus stations. You might see signs like Platform 3.
That's where my train leaves from.
Yes, exactly. And ticket counter is where you buy your ticket.
Makes sense.
You may also see waiting area.
That's where I wait for my train or bus.
Perfect. Now let's look at roads and streets. You might see one way.
That means cars can go in only one direction.
Yes, and no parking means you cannot park there.
Easy.
You might also see numbers like speed limit 50.
That means cars should not go faster than 50 kilometers per hour.
Exactly. Very good. Now here's a useful tip for busy places. Signs usually have arrows or colors to help you. Red often means stop or danger. Green often means go or safe.
Yes, I see that.
And blue usually shows information.
That's easy to remember.
Now, sometimes signs can confuse you. What should you do?
Maybe ask someone?
Perfect answer. You can say, "Excuse me, where is—" Let me try. "Excuse me, where is the boarding gate?" Excellent. That's very natural. Now let's practice a full travel scenario in your mind. You are at the airport. You need to find your gate.
Okay, I'm ready.
First, you see a sign, arrivals, left, departures, right.
I go to the right for my flight.
Great. Then you see security check, right.
I follow the arrow.
Then, boarding gate 12, up.
I go upstairs to gate 12.
Perfect. That's real travel practice. Now imagine you are at a train station. You see platform 5, right, ticket counter, left.
I go left to buy my ticket, then follow the arrow to platform 5.
Excellent thinking. Now let's practice street signs. You see one way, no parking.
I follow the one-way street and don't park.
Perfect. That shows you understand signs clearly. Now, sometimes signs have symbols instead of words. For example, a knife and fork means restaurant. A bed means hotel.
Oh, yes, symbols are very helpful.
Exactly. Always look at pictures too. Now, imagine the station is very busy. You feel confused by many signs.
That happens to me all the time.
Don't worry, look for simple words, arrows, and symbols. And if you are unsure, ask someone politely. Excuse me, where is...
Okay, I can do that.
Now, here's a quick mini practice. I'll say a sign, you tell me what to do.
Okay, let's try.
Departures,
Go right to catch my flight.
arrivals,
Go left if I meet someone arriving.
platform 4,
Go upstairs to platform 4.
no parking.
Don't park here.
Excellent, Ryan. You're getting better.
Yeah, I feel more confident.
That's exactly the goal. Now, the last tip for this section, always stay calm, even if signs are confusing. Follow arrows, look at symbols, and ask politely if needed.
That makes traveling less stressful.
Yes, and the more you practice, the faster you understand signs. Now, imagine you are traveling next week. You go to the airport, the station, and the streets. Try to spot simple words, arrows, and symbols. It will feel easy.
And now, let's talk about understanding instruction and warning signs in daily travel. These signs keep you safe and help you follow rules.
Oh, yes. I sometimes ignore these and then feel confused.
That's common. Let's start with instruction signs. You might see push or pull.
That tells me how to open a door, right?
Exactly. Push means push the door. Pull means pull the door.
Okay, simple.
You might also see use other door.
So this door is closed and I need to use another one.
Perfect. Another common one is keep right.
That means walk on the right side.
Yes, very good. Instruction signs are usually very short, 1 or 2 words. Now, let's look at warning signs. These signs tell you to be careful. For example, caution.
That means I should pay attention.
Exactly. Another one is slippery floor.
I should walk slowly so I don't fall.
Yes, and high voltage means electricity is dangerous. Don't touch.
Got it.
Now imagine you are in a hotel or a mall. You might see reception.
That's where I check in.
Yes, or elevator.
Means lift. Go there if I want to go up or down floors.
Perfect. And emergency exit is very important.
That's where I go in an emergency, like fire.
Exactly. Now, some signs are polite instructions. For example, please keep left.
That's more polite than just keep left.
Yes, please makes it gentle. You'll see this often.
Okay, I like that.
Another tip, many signs use words plus symbols. For example, a wet floor symbol plus the words slippery floor.
Oh, yes, that makes it very clear.
Right, so always look at pictures too, not only words. Now, let's imagine a real-life scenario. You arrive at a hotel. You see a sign, reception, arrow.
I follow the arrow to check in.
Then you see elevator, arrow.
I go upstairs to my room.
On the way, you see caution, wet floor.
I walk carefully.
Perfect. That's following instructions step by step. Now imagine a mall. You see push on the door.
I push the door to enter.
Good. Then use other door.
I find another door.
Excellent. You understand these quickly now. Now let's practice some polite instruction phrases. I'll say the sign and you respond. Please keep right.
I walk on the right side.
Please wait here.
I wait in this spot.
Please do not touch.
I don't touch.
Perfect, Ryan. That's very natural. Now imagine a busy airport. You need to go to your gate. You see exit, arrow. Security check, arrow. Caution, wet floor.
Follow the arrows carefully, walk safely, and go upstairs to security.
Excellent! That's exactly how you read signs step by step. Now here's a confidence tip. Don't try to read every word. Focus on the key words and symbols.
Key words like exit, push, caution.
Yes, and arrows. They guide you.
That makes it much easier.
Also, if you are unsure, ask politely. Excuse me, where is...
I will remember that.
Let's do one last real-life travel practice. Imagine you arrive at a train station. You see ticket counter, arrow, platform 3, arrow, caution, wet floor.
Go left to buy my ticket, then follow the arrow to platform 3. Walk carefully because the floor is wet.
Perfect. That shows you can combine words and symbols for clear understanding.
I feel ready to travel now.
That's amazing. With practice, reading travel signs becomes very easy. Remember, look for simple words, symbols, arrows, and stay calm.
Yes, I will practice every time I travel.
And if you're watching this, try to repeat these exercises yourself. Pause, look at signs around you, and practice understanding them quickly. That's how you improve faster.
I will do that.
Thanks for joining us today at English Listening Lab. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy your travels.
See you next time.
Bye!